A pleasant afternoon to everyone, especially to our principal, Sir Bensi Pacaira, to the teachers from both junior and senior high school department, honorable guests, parents, students, and to my fellow graduates, good afternoon. Before I begin my speech, I would like to thank to Almighty God for giving me an opportunity to speak here today. As your speaker now, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to this school, to Kasapan National High School, that became a ladder to reach this level. Kasapan National High School fulfills our high school journey despite the fact that we've faced COVID-19 pandemic in 2 years, but this school still gave us chance to fulfill our dreams in life. And to the teachers of Kasapan National High School, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for all of you, ma'am and sir. Because of you, we've learned a lot, and thank you for giving us knowledge. You've lighted our darkest minds into brightest ones. Thank you, ma'am and sir, for your presence to teach us, and for your presence to guide us. You bring an enormous contribution to our lives, especially to our advisor, Ma'am Arvi Albe Labrage. Ma'am, thank you for everything. Thank you for your patience, despite the fact that we're very naughty and very noisy. But you still gave us patience and you carry us like your own children. Ma'am, this is our warm gratitude for you in teaching us a good manners and helping us to think critically. We will never forget you, ma'am, even though that our high school journey is now already done, but the memories we've made together would last forever. And to our beloved parents, salamat sa niyo endless support sa iyong mga anak. Tungod iyo, aadi kami anak nga naabot ini namon. Nga usaliwat kamo nga dahilan kung kaya nakagraduate kami han senior high school. Especially to my mother, ma, I want to give you a huge gratitude for those sacrifices you made for me. Ma, tungod mo aadi ako yan na. Salamat mamahan imo pagtimang no akon since ginanak ako until now. I know nga ikaw ang nag-guide akon, ikaw ang naging first ever teacher ko nga nagtudduha akon papaano magbasa nga magsurat nga nagtudduha akon kung papaano maging maupay ang pamatasan nga dahil na diri ko luwat na-apply. Ma, proud ako imo nga ikaw ang akong naging mama kay bisan la ako pasaway, you're still very supportive. Nasupport ka kung ano ta karuyag. Ngan kun may ada ako mga kinahanglan na school, diri ka na disagree. Kumbaga nagbibiling kan way para lang ako makapasa ito na project. Amo ito mama, ang akon dako nga gipaparayaw ngan akon pinangkukuhaan hin kusog. An imo ka very supportive parents. Nga nanimo an nganan masitiring ko ikma, tanan nga akon achievements, diri la ito bilong nga akon, kundi pati luwata imo. Kay diri ko ito makukuha, kundi ri tungoda imo. Waray na iba nga masihigit ka imo ma. And of course, to my intimates, to my trio, you knew already who you are, guys. I would like to express my sincere gratitude since from the beginning of our high school journey. Regine, Lovely May, and Ate Diobilin, thank you so much for always by my side. I've been never felt alone when I'm with you guys because you make me laugh when we're together. Because of that, I will never forget you until the end of my journey. And lastly, I would like to give my last message to my classmates. Classmates, these are the people that became part of my journey. Classmates, thank you for the memories that we've made together, to all the laughs, to all the tears, and to all the hard work that we've made, that we've been faced. This is one of the most captivating memories that we made together. And now my classmates, this is our last day of being an high school students. And tomorrow, we will move to the next chapter of our lives. Ngan waray na kita mababatian harom na. Pahugma daw ballpen, tagi ako papel. May klase, ano mo answer? May assignment ka, pasugda daw. Nag-review ka, tara kalakat. May practice, oy, i-sweeper yan na. Tara recess. Amoy ni na mga words and permi nato na babatihan harong pero amulat ini na mga words aton last na mababatian ngang kailanman diri na na naton mababatian ha aton batch yan na. Classmates, thank you for those memories. The deafening noise, the vociferous sounds, and the naughtiness and stubbornness that made our subject teacher stress is also one of my high school moments that's really hard to forget. And I would like to share a saying that memories are like a calendar. We can always look back, but we can never go back. Ang mga alaala ay parang kalendaryo. Maari tayong tumingin pabalik, ngunit hindi na tayo makakabalik. So we need to treasure those memories that we've made together. One classroom, one best advisor, 28 students, walang hanggang kopyahan, walang hanggang katamaran, walang hanggang sigawan, walang hanggang tawanan, walang hanggang kulitan, walang hanggang asaran, walang hanggang kiligan, at ngayon, walang hanggang iyakan. Your grade 12 Einstein Batch 2024 to 2025 is now officially signing off. That will be all. Thank you and congratulations to all of the graduates. Padayon!
Thank you.